Good morning. It is the 15th of July, and Dr. David DeRose trying to keep biting flies away from me out here. But I'm here in the Midwest, Indiana, on the outskirts of Fort Wayne. Just want to basically encourage you to, if you haven't started already, to join our Summer Health Challenge, Summer 2024 Health Challenge. If you're watching this months or years later, you could still do the same program, but right now in real time between now and Labor Day, we're encouraging people to do 30 days worth of short videos. They average about 5 or 6 minutes long, things that I've presented, and I'll put the links, or actually maybe even throw up some slides in the course of this video. But join the program, encourage others to, and engage on our Facebook group. Now, let me tell you why I'm doing this video. It's not a promotional video. It's actually to help you on your journey. So today's challenge, I just watched the short video for today. It's called Measure, Measure, Measure. That's the challenge. And we're encouraging people to measure something throughout the 1 month that they're on this program. Now, some of you might be measuring my attire, and you notice some perhaps interesting things. Maybe you see this logo here. This is from one of the tribal public health conferences I've had the privilege of attending. And the hat may be raising a few more eyebrows, ABC. Some of you think I'm advertising a liquor store, or maybe some bookstores or something, but no, this is the Alupang Beach Club. Now you say, well, that even sounds worse. 5 or 6 years ago, my wife and I were invited to travel to the island of Guam and some of the other, actually another of the islands out there in Micronesia. And maybe I'm not using all the terminology correctly, but you can see, like many of us in the US, I'm a bit geographically challenged sometimes. I think I usually know where I'm headed. But anyway, we were in Guam, and we learned about this Alupang Beach Club. They actually invited us to attend. And I mean, the first thing that I think of when I hear about a club, my limited experience sounds like maybe music, substances that I may not choose normally, actually not normally, never, to engage with. But actually, the Alupang Beach Club is a great place. So they took us there. They have snorkeling, parasailing, dolphin watching, jet skiing. So it's wholesome activities, at least in my book, that you can do on the coast there. Cool establishment. They give their employees off the Bible Sabbath and close the place down. So it's Alupang Beach Club. Anyway, yeah, if you're going to Guam, I thought it was a great place, but that's not why I've got this hat on. I was looking for my regular hat that I wear running. I just finished a run, and even though I'm here in Fort Wayne, I've been running through, I'm on the outskirts, running mostly along cornfields. Here's kind of a little mini wetlands area near actually one of the business establishments. But what I wanted to illustrate is when you measure something, it makes a difference. So the folks in Guam were trying to impact their community. They were having us do public health lectures. They had us on the radio, on television there. And they could see when people walked through the doors, they were impacting people. They heard about people hearing the messages that we're giving on the radio. And you say, well, that's a lot more than most of us can do. What should we be measuring? Well, one of the things I measure is just that I get out and get exercise every day. For me, it's a minimum of 30 minutes, and sometimes longer, sometimes considerably longer, but that's what I try to make sure I get in each day. And I do track that on an app. Health Motivate app allows you to track your steps, so you can put that in that way. But we're really encouraging you to measure something. I've looked at some of you engaging with the app, and if you're not familiar with it, I'll put that up there. It's free for those of you going through this program. Some of you have been tracking your eating habits. Others exercise, others your sleep, your water drinking. So I want to just a shout out to all of you for doing that great work. If you've signed up for the app and haven't downloaded, I want to encourage you to do that. We're going to see how we do as a group as we go through the next, quote, 30 days. And that's probably the last thing I'll mention about measure. The first point, measure something between now and Labor Day weekend. You don't have to do it every day if it's something like your weight, but if you do it daily, it gets you in the habit. And then what I want to encourage you to do is engage with us on our Facebook group. You'll see that information in connection with this video. I said the last thing, but let me do it this way for you. If you haven't already signed up for our free 30-day program, do that now. You can spread it out between now and Labor Day here in the US, which is September 2nd. So even if you're watching this a week or two later, get those 30 days, and even if you can only get 25 days in, go along with us, encourage each other, maybe put up some of your own videos. Anyway, I gotta run. Well, I guess I've been running. Maybe I gotta walk, cool down, but hoping to connect with you again tomorrow. July 15, that's today. You can start anytime, July or August, and be in real time with us on this 2024 Summer Health Challenge. Looking forward to seeing you tomorrow. I'm Dr. DeRose.